Imagine a life where your finances don't dictate your worries, but rather support your dreams. This vision can become a reality with smart investing and a robust understanding of financial literacy. Today, we explore a fresh approach to managing your money effectively, an essential skill in pursuing a fulfilling life. Let's begin our journey by understanding the foundation, financial literacy. At its core, financial literacy is the knowledge and ability to make informed and effective decisions with your financial resources. This involves understanding basic concepts like budgeting, saving, investing, and borrowing. Yet in our ever-evolving economic landscape, it's also about grasping more complex elements, such as risk management and diversifying assets. A crucial component of financial literacy is smart investing. Investing smartly is not about quick fixes or jumping on the latest trends. Instead, it requires a disciplined mindset and a strategic approach. Diversification is key. By spreading investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, you reduce risk and increase potential returns. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. Next, we consider the power of compound interest. Albert Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. It's simple yet profound, earning interest on your initial investment and then interest on top of that interest. The earlier you start, the longer compound interest works in your favor, making time a powerful ally. Understanding market trends and cycles can also significantly impact your financial success. It's important to remember that markets are inherently volatile, driven by myriad factors from economic reports to political events. Rather than fearing these fluctuations, embrace them. Smart investors understand that downturns may offer buying opportunities, while periods of exuberance might be the time to exercise caution. Financial literacy includes recognizing the cost of investments, such as fees and taxes, which can eat away at returns if not managed properly. Awareness of these factors helps you choose the right financial products and services to maximize your earnings. Now, let's not forget the holistic view of well-being. Investing wisely is not just about dollars and cents. It's about aligning your financial decisions with personal values and life goals, ensuring that money is a tool for enhancing life quality, not an end in itself. In conclusion, investing smartly and enhancing financial literacy are intertwined pathways leading to financial empowerment and improved life satisfaction. By making informed decisions, embracing diversification, and understanding market dynamics, you hedge against uncertainty and prepare for a future where you don't just survive, but thrive. Remember, the journey towards financial literacy and smart investing is continuous, and the rewards are a life lived well.